Hey, what's up? Sammy here. Today, let's take a quick look at the Black Shark 4S and 4S Pro Gundam Edition. Again, special thanks to my old partner Eva for providing the content. Please subscribe to our channel, link is in the description. In the last video about the Black Shark 4, we commented on the design. It was a much lower profile compared to the Black Shark 3. No highfalutin LEDs, no sharp angles, etc. Well, on the 4S version, it's even more plain. As we can see on the back, it doesn't even have the classic X pattern design. All we can see is the vertical ridges on the fork edge processed panel. Do you like this new edition? For others, it's the same as the 4. The middle hole punch selfie, the magnetic shoulder keys, the rear camera array. But on the 4S Pro Gundam Edition, all has changed. From the packaging and design, it's just so Gundam. Under the camera module, we have the head of Gundam, a very detailed one. We have the wings to form the X pattern, which started with the classic red and blue color. It's all in the details, my friend. Just check out the circle around the camera lens, the red and the blue shoulder buttons. It's like you are really holding the Gundam robot and ready to game. Specs-wise, both phones have a 6.67-inch E4 AMOLED screen with Full HD Plus resolution. The panel still has 144Hz refresh rate and 720Hz touch time rate, having bring the response delay down to just 8.3 milliseconds, boosting your gaming performance. The panel has two pressure-sensitive zones and 1300 nits peak brightness. It supports MEMC, DC dimming, and eye protection mode. The biggest difference, the Black Shark 4S is powered by the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 as the Black Shark 4. On the other hand, the Black Shark 4S Pro comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus instead of a Snapdragon 808 like the Black Shark 4 Pro. Further, both phones have LPDDR5 RAM, but the vanilla model has a slower 5500 MB module compared to a faster 6400 MB module inside the Pro. Both come with UFS 3.1 storage, but the expensive variant also supports SSD disk array system. But no worries, the 4S also supports RAM disk. What does that mean in English is it preloads the game in its RAM, so when you start gaming, you can enter the game much faster and cut the loading time. In our test, yes, it's faster in seconds. But this feature only applies to those phones with RAM over 12 gigs. Also, the 4S supports RAM expansion for the first time. For other specs, the Black Shark 4S and the 4S Pro retain the 4500 mAh and 120 watt fast charging of the predecessors, and the adapter still comes in the retail box. From our test, we charged the battery from 1% to 80%. It took just 11 minutes. Jesus. Just like the Black Shark 4, it has high-quality dual stereo speakers, but this time it comes with special Gundam wireless earbuds, just like the Gundam Cooling Fan. Oh my gosh, you can literally buy a set of Gundam gaming phone accessories. The earphones, according to our test, they really give you an immersive gaming experience, like when you press the shoulder buttons, the sound will come from the left or right earbud respectively. The latency is unnoticeable as well. The two phones share 8-megapixel ultra-wide cameras and 2-megapixel depth sensors on the back, as well as 20-megapixel selfie snappers. The 4S Pro has a 64-megapixel main camera, while the 4S scales down to the 48-megapixel sensor. The camera performance is okay, enough for daily tasks. What do you want from it? It's a gaming phone. Alright, that's the unboxing and hands-on. Let me know what you think about this phone and what does it mean in this 4S series. Leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sammy, and we'll see you in the next one.